Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming you control the domain and can log into the registrar. Once done, add the required TXT or verification records so services recognize ownership. This proves you. Make sure to copy nameserver and DNS host info from your hosting provider. Without correct records, traffic won't reach your site. Also verify the admin email for receipts and confirmation steps. Doing these now prevents delays later and lets you proceed directly to pointing and configuring services. You next update DNS records to route traffic. Set O or AAA to your host IP and use CNAME for managed subdomains. Then configure MX records plus SBF and DKIM so email delivers reliably. This prevents spoofing and bounce issues. Make transitional adjustments to TTL, lower it to speed propagation while changing, then raise it back when stable. Also confirm SSL, request or install certificates so browsers show secure connections. These steps ensure services resolve correctly and you finish by verifying propagation globally. Use DIG or ENSLOOKUP and browse the site to confirm SSL and content load. Once everything resolves, restore higher TTL values to reduce query load and document the final DNS and email settings. If something fails, first confirm the registrar's nameserver settings and correct any typos in records, then flush local DNS cache and try external lookup tools. If propagation is slow, wait one TTL cycle. Often the issue is cached records, not your configuration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.